boys, what it's up? It's your boy Juan back with another video. Here's how I made $1,666 trading the Nasdaq this morning on this short position right about here across these two XFAs. Very, very good day. Top sub has been fucking lagging very hard. Yesterday, you guys know the fucking platform glitched. Everybody was pissed, including myself. Couldn't place a stop loss, couldn't put a take profit. Today, the platform, I can't even tell you it's all the way back, honestly. Can't tell you it's all the way there. I got filled very, very late. Today was actually a very kind of tough day. You guys see the short position, but I did enter shorts here. Like I did wanted to target these lows right here, this data lows right here, as well as Asia lows right here. But I ended up getting stopped out here. I got stopped out here. So I actually took two trades. This first trade, I actually got stopped because I put my stop loss way too tight. So I should have put it above this 5-minute imbalance right here. And I got stopped out right about here. Okay, so I had to re-enter very, very late. My entry was somewhere here as we were displaying lower towards these lows and these lows, but I got filled very fucking late. All right, Topsip is fucking lagging like a motherfucker. It's very frustrating. So look at this terrible fill. I ended up having to let this runner run towards fucking previous day's lows, honestly. I didn't let it run entirely to previous day's lows, but I knew previous day's lows were here, right? I knew we had some sell side liquidity here, some resting up below us. So price could potentially, if we're bearish, could, flush all the way down to these lows and these lows, right? From yesterday, previous day's lows. And that's what saved me today. Very, very bad fills. Definitely piss at tops up. Nevertheless, coming into market open, I had a bearish bias. Why? Because price was inside of a 1 hour bearish gap right here. As you guys can see, this wick and this wick, this gap in between right here, it was a 1 hour bearish gap. Price came up, tapped into this imbalance right here and started rejecting from there. Additionally, price also inverted this minor, tiny 1 hour bullish gap right here that we have right here. We had an inversion, strong close underneath this imbalance. So that's two confluences right there. Well, number one, we're also very, very bearish, creating lower lows and lower highs. You can check on the higher time frames how bearish we are on NQ, right? So that already is aligning me with my internal model for New York towards London lows. I'm sorry, data lows as well as Asia lows. Also, price created a 5-minute bearish gap right here and another 5-minute bearish gap right here. So as you can see, this wick and this wick, this gap in between, bearish gap, come back up, respect it, reject. Same thing here, come back up, create a bearish gap, reject. This would have been a nice trade to enter pre-market at around 920 towards these internal lows right here. But I didn't want to, risk it. Market opening, the volatility for market opening, a lot of things can happen, right? I could have gotten wicked, could have gotten fucked. So I simply wanted to wait for market to open to then catch those shorts. Like I said, I did get stopped out in this initial manipulation chop. Should have been a bit more patient. That's what I really could have done better today. Right about here in this chop, I did get stopped out here. I actually got stopped like twice, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I lost actually about $1,000 here. Trying to short, literally, still. Like it looks something like this. I was still trying to short, but my fills were garbage. It was something like this, right? And my stop loss, I wanted to do like a 20 point, 21 point, but I got wicked. I got wicked literally right here. Again, this trade would have made sense. It would have entered pre-market as soon as we started displaying lower here and placing the stop loss above this 5-minute gap. Whatever, I didn't do that. I'm still not mad at it. I did get stopped and lost about $1,000 in these wicks, and then simply re-entered. Knew the drawn liquidity were lower. Trusted the bias. Added 2 minis towards these lows that I already had gotten swept, and ultimately Asia lows right here. I knew we still had some liquidity. That price was ideally gonna hit previous day's lows right here. So I also had to use that as my next target, considering I lost here and considering I got failed very, very late here. So this also was my draw on liquidity. Keyword, my draw on liquidity, not my target, not my take profit. Right, my take profit was 50 points for a 1 and 2 right here. Caught a 1 and 2 and made about 1,833 across two accounts. So that sums me up about 1,666. So good day. 100K funded, freshly new XFA. And yeah, pretty good day, boys. Pretty good day. Continuation models towards the next round of liquidity. You guys know the drill. That's my model. I'll always trade it. It's very simple. Look how lagging this fucking page is. Like, where's the P&L, bro? Jesus Christ, this is crazy. Look at this. It's fucking lagged. What is this, bro? Top needs to get it together, man. I'm telling you, it needs to get it together. Ridiculous. I can't even see my money. That's wild. But yeah, boys. I'm blocked out of the account. 1.6 on the day. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna post it on my Discord. Also gonna post it on my YouTube. Start going heavy with the content. Show you guys every day what I catch. And yeah, I hope I can build a community with you guys. Teach you guys everything I know. You know. Currently 5 figures in requested and payouts. And yeah, let's go back to NQ. I also have been checking ES a lot for SMTs and whatnot. Wow, bro, this page is fucking lagging terribly. Terribly. I'm gonna have to stop this video. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. 1.6 a.m. a day. Let's go.